Your SureSafeGO Plus family monitored alarm can be ready to use in under 5 minutes. Turn the wristband on by pressing the button on the side for 2 seconds. To program, send a few short text message commands from any mobile phone. To activate an SOS call, press and hold the same button for 3 seconds.
SOS alert has been activated. Click SOS to stop.
Your emergency contacts will receive text messages and calls letting them know that you need help. Talk to your emergency contacts through the wristband and let them know what is happening.
It's only Mum, just testing my new SureSafe alarm.
To charge, simply place the wristband onto the charging dock. Wear the wristband wherever you go and feel safe that help is available at the touch of a button.